Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My dear brothers and sisters, today I want to deliver a speech about importance of education, especially importance of education in the sight of Islam. What is the importance of education in the sight of Islam? Dear brothers and sisters, I am feeling very happy because today I want to deliver a speech in English language, not in Urdu, Arabic, other language. So I want to request you that you must watch this video because importance of education is very essential and very good topics for all of us, especially Muslim communities. Dear brothers, we should know Islam is the most sacred and trustworthy religion which gives us guidance in every aspect of life. The importance of education in the sight of Islam is very high. Therefore, Islam stresses on the education to seek knowledge is compulsory for every Muslim, male and female. Dear brothers, as our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, to seek knowledge is compulsory for every Muslims, male and female. Friends, education briefly is a means to understand to past striving and development of man. Without education, none can be find the right path in both worlds. I mean, in this life and after this, I mean Qiyamah. This is basically for two reasons. Firstly, education makes a man right thinker. Without education, a person is considered nearly blind. He fails to observe the situations in their right context. It guides a man to make good decisions. Dear brothers, secondly, education prepares and qualifies our new generation for participation in the cultural development. There are two main reasons. My dear brothers and sisters, a person without knowledge is like on walking a long track in complete darkness. He easily can be deceived by Shaitan. This shows that the greatest danger of us is our ignorance about Islamic teachings. What the Holy Quran teaches and what guidance has been given by our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. But if we are blessed with light of knowledge, we will be identify and avoid the dangerous path of kufr and shirk. So every one of us, young man, old man and women, should at least acquire sufficient knowledge which is necessary, compulsory to understand the teaching of the Holy Quran and its purpose. But nowadays we are going to extremes. The person who gets worldly education, he is completely unaware of the Islamic teachings. We should know that reality. Even he does not know what the kalma is and how to perform the salah etc. My dear brothers and sisters, Allah does not make it compulsory to high modern education, but He has obliged us to get Islamic knowledge. On the day of judgment, I mean Qiyamah, Allah will ask to parents, have you instructed your children in Islamic teachings? He will never ask, Allah will never ask about modern education. What a pity to those guardians, parents who do not give Islamic teachings to their children. My dear brothers and sisters, I am not saying that you not acquire the modern education. Modern education is also compulsory for all of us, especially Muslim community. I will want to say that we cannot live in this world, in this society at this time without knowing the modern education. Friends, therefore every one of us should learn modern education, especially English language, because there are many causes of it. At this time demands English language the world. English language is very compulsory, necessary at this time, especially for a student of Madaris, especially for Muslim community. And other cause, why should we learn modern education, English language? We can communicate with one another easily. As you know, English language is an international language. My dear brothers and sisters, I want to say parents, guardians, my Muslim communities, guardians, parents of Muslim communities, that they must think about our children. Firstly, all of us, we do not get education. Friends, even if we do, then we only cheated the guardian. Today's Muslim communities, as spreaded in Muslim communities, the children of Muslim communities, they only cheated the guardian. It is especially in Muslim communities. But nowadays, the person who gets only Islamic knowledge, only Islamic education, most of them are unaware of English language. And basic rule and regulation of India, how to get our rights and how to communicate our demands to government. Due to lack this knowledge, we are unable to communicate our message. Therefore, we have to face the problem in every aspect of life. In brief, getting Islamic knowledge, getting Islamic education is very necessary for us. Side by side, we should learn modern education. Having both knowledge, we will be success in this world and the after this. In this world and the world hereafter. Qiyamah, the day of judgment. Today, Muslims are far behind in the education. As we know by the Sajjar committee, today Muslims are far behind in the field of education. Muslims have been most educationally backward group, most educationally backward community in India in the comparison to their population. May Allah enable to act upon it. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.